Saturday, May 16th, we ride for more than adventure. We ride for honor, we ride for support, we ride for heroes.
Deputy Brian Kydell served the residents of Midland County for 16 years. He wore his badge with pride and dedicated his life to serving his community.
And that's why this year's Jeep Freedom Ride supports mental health awareness for law enforcement and establishes a 529 college plan for his 4-year-old son.
Behind every badge is a human being. Law enforcement carries a weight most people never see.
Help us to continue the conversation about supporting the men and women who serve.
Every dollar raised goes to securing his son's future, because when one of our own is in need, this community shows up.
Stand with us. Ride with us. Help us honor a life of service.